Today, in less of 2 minutes, the full maintenance of the mousse. Let's start from the fitting. It's important to put on your mousse the silicone grease that normally you find in the package. One bottle like this, it's enough for one mousse. A good suggestion is to use the mousse inside the tire no more than 15 hours, because after that you can slowly destroy the mousse, because the grease will dry and the friction will destroy fast your mousse. Many people don't know that the important point is the dismount, because you have to pay attention with the lever when you put the lever inside the tire to not cut the mousse. This is your best friend for the mousse life. The black bag that normally you find inside the box, it's important because you don't have to leave the mousse under the sun. Otherwise, the light will generate chemical reactions that will destroy slowly the cell inside the mousse. So the steps are, first of all, dismount your mousse. Clean it properly, grease it with silicone grease, put in the black bag and storage it at least for 24 hours in a fresh place. Then you will be able to use it again. Also for today we are done, and now you know everything. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.